Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Machine World. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the VF4 Haas CNC, a powerful and versatile vertical machining center designed to meet the demands of various industries. Whether you're working in aerospace, automotive, energy, or general machining, the VF4 offers a combination of performance, precision, and reliability. Let's dive into its features and specifications. Spindle. The spindle is the heart of any CNC machine, and the VF4 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a high-performance spindle, it offers options for a range of speeds, typically up to 8,100 RPM. This high-speed capability allows for efficient material removal and precision machining. The spindle in the VF4 is designed for longevity and can handle tough materials commonly used in industries such as aerospace and automotive, ensuring you get a great balance of performance and durability. The turning diameter of the VF4 is substantial enough to accommodate a variety of part sizes. With a maximum turning diameter of up to 20 inches, this machine is suitable for medium to large components, making it a versatile choice for manufacturers that need flexibility. Whether you're working on engine parts, turbine blades, or other large components, the VF4 ensures your parts fit comfortably on the table and are machined to perfection. The VF4 is designed with a 3-axis configuration, which provides the ability to perform standard milling operations with precision. These axes are equipped with high-speed linear guides, ensuring smooth motion and fast movement across the workpiece. For more advanced operations, the VF4 can also be adapted to 4-axis or 5-axis configurations, making it ideal for more complex tasks like intricate part designs and multifaceted machining. Control. The VF4 comes equipped with Haas CNC control, which is known for its ease of use and powerful programming capabilities. The control system provides a simple, user-friendly interface that enables quick setup and intuitive operation. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or new to CNC machines, the Haas control simplifies complex tasks and enhances productivity. The software allows for seamless integration with other systems and devices, ensuring high precision and efficiency across all machining operations. Programming the VF4 is straightforward thanks to Haas's intuitive software suite. It supports both manual programming and G-Node input, which makes it highly adaptable to various machining needs. The Haas control allows you to upload and execute programs efficiently, and the advanced features like toolpath simulation ensure that you can check for potential issues before running the actual job. With robust programming capabilities, you can easily adapt the VF4 for small batch jobs or large-scale production runs. Automation. One of the standout features of the VF4 is its ability to integrate with automation solutions. With the option to add robotic arms, pallet changers, and auto-loading/unloading systems, the VF4 can be transformed into a fully automated production machine. This capability makes it an excellent choice for high-volume manufacturing environments where reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency is a priority. Automation can significantly reduce machine downtime and improve production throughput. Technical specifications. Machine dimensions. The VF4 has a compact design for its class, with overall dimensions of approximately 100 and an area of approximately 118 x 91 x 106, making it suitable for most shop floors without taking up too much space. Machine weight. Weighing in at around 1,000,000 elms, the VF4 is sturdy and built to handle heavy-duty workloads without sacrificing precision. Spindle motor. The VF4 comes with a powerful 20 HP spindle motor, providing ample torque for tough material machining. Rapid traverse. The rapid traverse rate is 1,000 inches per minute, IPM, allowing quick repositioning and faster cycle times. Applications. The VF4 is highly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of industries. Aerospace, ideal for machining complex aerospace components like turbine blades, structural elements, and engine parts. Automotive. The VF4 excels in manufacturing engine components, transmission parts, and other automotive applications that require high precision. Energy. In the energy sector, the VF4 is used to machine parts for power generation equipment, including turbines and compressors. General machining. It's also perfect for smaller workshops needing precision and reliability for custom parts, prototypes, or light-to-medi production. Pricing. In terms of pricing, the VF4 is priced competitively for its capabilities, typically ranging between $60,000 to $100,000 depending on the configuration and added options. This makes it an excellent investment for businesses looking for an affordable yet highly capable CNC machine for medium to large-scale operations. That concludes our review of the VF4 Haas CNC. With its impressive spindle performance, versatile applications, and powerful control system, the VF4 is an excellent choice for businesses in aerospace, automotive, energy, and general machining industries. Its combination of automation options and precision ensures it delivers high-quality results in any environment. Thanks for tuning into Digital Machine World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and insights. See you in the next video.